Great morning to all of you. Myself Urvashi from 9th standard. I am a student of Shri Balbir Singh Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to discuss about King Prithviraj Chauhan. You all have heard the name of Emperor Prithviraj Chauhan. He was born in 1165 AD in Ajmer. He was the son of King Someshwar and Queen Kamla Devi of Ajmer. He was also known as Rai Pithora. Once he killed a lion without any weapon, so he was also known as Lion of Ajmer. He is also known as Prithviraj III. Since his childhood, he was interested in warfare also. Chauhan dynasty. Chauhan dynasty has a special place among the Indian Rajputs dynasty. Ruler of Chauhan dynasty ruled from 9th to 12th century. They ruled over modern Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and its adjoining regions. In ancient period, its capital was Shakambari, taken from Sambar lake, but after that Ajmer was made the capital. So they are also known as Chauhans of Ajmer. Coronation. At the age of 13 years after the death of his father in 1178 AD, he is declared as the king to the throne of Delhi. By getting effect from his bravery and valor, his maternal grandfather Anang Pal declared him heir to the throne of Delhi. Empire expansion. After ascending the throne in 1178 AD, King Prithviraj Chauhan adopted the policy of empire expansion, in which he defeated the king of Bhiwani, Alwar, Bundelkhand, etc. and empire his expansion. After the empire of his expansion, he got the title of Maharaja Adhiraj. Some important fact about Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan's main texts were Prithviraj Raso, Prithviraj Vijay and Hamir Mahakavya. Then Prithviraj Chauhan has 16 queens. Their names were given in the text Prithviraj Raso. Emperor Prithviraj Chauhan could wear 36 weapons. He has knowledge of 6 types of language, 14 types of art and 64 types of knowledge. Prithviraj Chauhan was a scholar of Ayurveda, mathematics and also music. Prithviraj Chauhan got the empire only at the age of 13 years. Battle with Turkish invader in 1175 AD. India once again faced the Turkish invaders. The most important Turkish invader was Muhammad Ghori. He made many attacks in India since 1175 AD. According to Hamir Mahakavya, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori 7 times. First Battle of Tarain. First Battle of Tarain took place in 1191 AD, in which Muhammad Ghori wanted to conquest Delhi. There were many soldiers in Prithviraj Chauhan's army. Prithviraj Chauhan's army defeated Muhammad Ghori army in the First Battle of Tarain. Prithviraj Chauhan's brother killed him and injured him. If his soldiers did not save him, he would killed in this war. In this way, Muhammad Ghori defeated in this war. Second Battle of Tarain. Second Battle of Tarain took place in 1192 AD. After being defeated in the First Battle of Tarain, Muhammad Ghori wanted to take revenge. For this, he wanted to conquest Delhi. He went to Ghazni after the First Battle of Tarain. Then he again came to India and attacked on Prithviraj Chauhan's army, in which Rajputs were also included. They fought bravely, but in this war, Prithviraj Chauhan was captured and killed by Muhammad Ghori. In this way, Delhi Sultanate's expansion took place in India. I hope you all will understand this topic. Thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle.